Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix HP Smart Tank 580 printer or lights blinking, meaning causes and troubleshooting steps. What does it mean? When every control panel light flashes simultaneously, the printer is usually experiencing a temporary printer system error, incorrectly installed printheads or cartridges, printer initialization failure, internal hardware or firmware issue, paper feed or sensor problem, power supply interruption or instability. Fix 1. Perform a hard power reset. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the printer and wall outlet. Wait at least 60 seconds. Plug the power cord directly into a wall outlet. Avoid extension cords or surge protectors. Reconnect the power cord to the printer. Turn the printer back on and check if the lights stop blinking. Fix 2. Check for paper jams and obstructions. Open the front access door of the printer. Wait for the printed carriage to move to the center. Inspect the carriage path for torn paper, dust, or debris. Remove any obstructions carefully. Check the input and output trays for stuck paper. Close the access door and restart the printer. Fix 3. Reseat and check the print heads. Open the front access door and wait for the carriage to stop moving. Open the blue print head latch. Carefully remove both print heads. Verify that all protective tape and packaging plugs have been removed. Inspect the copper colored contacts and clean them if necessary. Reinstall each printhead into the correct slot. Push gently upward until each printhead clicks into place. Close the blue latch securely. Close the front door and restart the printer. Fix 4. Check ink levels. Low ink levels may prevent the printer from operating normally. Inspect all ink tanks. Ensure each tank is at least 25 to 50% full. Refill any low tanks using the correct HP ink. Close all covers securely before testing the printer again. Fix 5. Check for specific error codes. If an error code appears on the control panel, use it to identify the problem. E3 error. Print carriage jam. Open the front door. Check the carriage path for obstructions. Remove any debris or stuck paper. Press the resume button and try printing again. E4 error. Paper jam. Turn off the printer. Open all accessible paper paths. Carefully remove any jammed paper. Reload paper correctly. Turn the printer back on and test the printer. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.